Hi guys, Ray here. I've talked about different cashback apps, right? We have Shopback and Gcash Cashback. But there's another app that I'd love to recommend. The limitation to these cashback apps I've mentioned earlier is that it only credits online purchases. The platform I'm going to talk about credits actual brick and mortar shops using the receipts you get from purchases. So diba, make the most out of the things you buy. That and many more ways to earn. So stay tuned. Before we proceed to the platform, don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell. I'd really appreciate it, guys. The VU platform, which stands for Value Unlocked, is a physical performance, marketing, and shopping rewards platform. You can earn through cashback by uploading receipts from partner brands or through doing tasks and answering surveys. You may redeem instantly as well. VU gives brands a platform to activate sales and build relationships with hard-to-reach consumers in Southeast Asia, and gives users a new way to earn money by monetizing their data online. Don't worry though, the company assures that you control who sees your data and to whom they are shared to. On the other hand, it helps businesses talk directly to those who are interested in what they offer. So it's a win-win situation. These are some of the brands that VU is in partnership with. You'll see that these are familiar and common brands, some of which are madalas natin pagbilhan and for everyday use. There are also lots of partnership in the works with brands that want to communicate directly to us users. Very simply, through VU, you can earn rewards on your everyday shopping in the store just by uploading a photo of your receipt. You can redeem through these platforms. They also have a team that could help us out in case we have any questions. Chat support, FAQ section, Facebook Messenger, and WhatsApp. There are many ways to help us with any of our queries. I'm gonna put the links down below. VU is all about saving money, quick, easy, and accessible for everyone. With VU, you don't need to change your everyday habits and routines to save more on your shopping. By the way, meron silang competition that gives you additional rewards and perks. All you need is to register using the link on the description box below and follow the step-by-step process. I'll discuss this on more detail later on the video.
It's really easy to sign up. All you need to do is to click on the link below, then click Get Started and fill up the form with your contact number and password. Note here that the link below is a referral. This is one of the ways to earn through the platform. If you use my referral link, I get a reward, and you as the referee also get a reward, and you get to join on the competition to get the chance to win some prizes. So make sure that ang pag-sign up nyo is through the referral code. Click sign up, pero hindi ko na itutuloy to because we are already signed up, and we'll proceed to logging into the platform. Once you've signed up, log in and let's explore the app. VU offers a wide range of activities that allow users to earn money and monetize their data online. So paano nga ba tayo mag-earn? Earn as much as $100 through taking surveys, playing games, doing tasks, and getting cashbacks. Makikita nyo dito yung mga sample products and their cashback equivalent, surveys and tasks as well, and ways to redeem. Okay, punta tayo sa offers. You may take surveys. As you've seen here, I tried out a survey which lasted for only 10 minutes. And I've already received the payout on that. Here's a clip when I took the survey a few days ago. I'll show you my earnings later. Here's one I've completed as well, but I'm still waiting for the payout. And here are some that I could activate if I wanted to earn from them as well. You can see here na ang dami nating choices. Makikita nyo yung amount to earn and an estimate on how long it would take you to complete the task. There are different tasks you could choose from, either for mobile, iPhone, or Android, or web. VU values users' opinions and time. They believe that rewards need to be given for taking these surveys. Let's click on another sample. Let's try Solitaire Grand Harvest. It says here na you can earn 205.40 pesos. Okay, now you can see the offer details. This describes how you should be able to earn through doing this task. Take note to read and understand every part of the offer for the eligibility of joining the task and earning rewards. Here you can see until when this offer is available and just click activate. Once you finish the tasks, you should be able to see the credited rewards on your account. Here at surveys, same thing, you can complete these survey tasks. Pili lang kayo dito, they will pre-assess you with a simple survey and find what best fits you. Hindi ko na isa-sample to isa-isa because we lack time. VU has the highest payouts for offer walls. They generally pay more for tasks than other platforms. The more tasks you do, the more earnings you get. So what are you waiting for? Do an activity now. Under Cashback, you can upload receipts of your purchase. You can see the list of products and brands. Let's try it out. I just purchased some items yesterday and let's upload my receipt. Note that cashback from approved partners will only be credited. Okay, upload tayo ng receipt and then select lang natin and then place natin yung retailer or pangalan ng shop tapos yung amount and then click create. Okay, so nasubmit na yung receipt natin. In order to check our earnings, punta tayo dito. This is where we can see all our earnings from offers, surveys, cashback, and referrals. Makikita nyo yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na nagawa ko ng survey before and the status is paid by partner. That's why you can see that I've been credited 3.33 VU points. And then, ito yung sinasabi kong hinihintay pa natin ma-credit. Tapos, this is the other one we tested out, yung Solitaire Grand Harvest. But I'm not gonna push through with that because it was only for demonstration purposes. Cancel muna natin yan. Click other and then go to surveys. Wala pa tayong nagawa so far under surveys and then cashback. You can see here the receipts na na-upload ko na from 7-Eleven, Jollibee, Robinsons. And then, etong Watson, kaka-upload ko kanina before yung demo ko sa inyo. And here, eto, Shakey's, pending approval, eto yung kaka-upload lang natin. Makikita nyo na the past uploads is pwede ko na siyang i-redeem. The other two is pending approval. Under referrals, pwede ka din mag-earn dito. This is where you can view your referral link. You can share it to family and friends for additional earnings. Sa pag-redeem naman, you have several options. Pwedeng GCash, PayPal, bank transfer. Take note lang of the fees. And you can redeem in gift cards, which is makukuha nyo naman for free. Possible din na mag-redeem in crypto. So makikita nyo dito, mga gift cards, but so far, I didn't get any gift cards yet. So it's that simple. I'm going to upload more of the recent receipts I have. Of course, again, the more activities you do, the more receipts you upload, the more earnings you get. Yun naman ang target natin dito, right?
Earlier on this video, na-mention ko na meron silang competition. Before I head on to the competition details, don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Anyone is eligible to join as long as you follow these steps. Sign up using the link below. Make sure guys na gamitin yung link below para makapasok sa competition na to. The competition runs for 2 weeks from the launch of this video. Next is to do at least 3 activities. 3 activities only, guys. But of course, the more activities you do, the more entries you have and the more chances of winning in the competition. And it only takes a few minutes to complete an activity. Upload 5 receipts. Remember that each completed activity is a competition entry. The more activities you do, the more entries you get. For the prizes, VU will conduct a lottery prize draw on their Facebook page. For the link, you can again check it down below. The winner gets $10 of VU points. Second prize gets $5 of VU points. Third prize, $3 of VU points. Fourth to sixth prize gets $2 worth of VU points. And the 7th and 8th gets $1 worth of VU points. There's really nothing to lose. You get to enter the competition by doing these tasks. And even if you don't win any prize, you get cashbacks and points in return. Sign up to VU and follow their social media channels for updates and future benefits. They will be announcing new partnerships with everyday brands and your favorite esports teams. as well as more ways to save and earn more every day. Their